Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to start a Shopify store. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, again, maybe you've missed it. Just go ahead and click on the link either in the description or in the pinned comments. Just enter your email right here, click on next, and after that, all you gotta do is just enter your payment details. And after that, as you can see here, for advanced plan, I just paid $1. And after that, you can use it for 3 months. As you can see, here's the time of recording. It's still June. Now, mine will expire on September 17. Now, once you have your account, all you gotta do next basically is just go ahead and add in your products. So you can go ahead and go back to Shopify right here. You can go ahead and click on products right here in the left panel, add a product or import products if you already have one. And then after that, you'd go ahead and set up your payments and shipping. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and launch your store. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide or you want to know each step right here for making a Shopify store, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. But that's just basically that's how easy it is to start a Shopify store. Again, you just need to create an account, add in your products, and then launch your store. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.